Let's take a look at protecting vulnerable workers. Employers need to pay special attention to vulnerable workers. Although 14 and 15-year-olds can generally only legally work at jobs like a cashier and office work, 16 and 17-year-olds may take jobs like cooking and construction. In one recent year, about 550 16 and 17-year-olds were injured at work. With more workers postponing retirement, older workers often fulfill manufacturing jobs. However, there are numerous physical changes associated with aging, including loss of strength, loss of flexibility, and reduced reaction time. The fatality rate for older workers is about 3 times that of younger workers. Employers should make special provisions. For example, boost lighting levels and reduce heavy lifting. One also needs plans for dealing with health issues. Thus, in the case of cardiac arrest emergency, early CPR and external defibrillators are essential. These should be available and one or more employees trained to use them.